8 cars that look luxury but are proven nightmares to own. Everyone wants a luxury-looking car, a shiny badge. So today, we're breaking down 8 cars that look luxury but are absolute nightmares to own. These cars will drain your wallet, break your patience, and leave you asking, why didn't anyone warn me? Well, I'm warning you today. Let's jump right in. Number 8. The Range Rover Evoque, the beautiful money pit. The Evoque is one of the best-looking compact luxury SUVs ever made. It's stylish, clean, modern. It makes you feel rich even if your wallet says otherwise. But behind the design, one of the least reliable luxury SUVs of the last decade. Common nightmare problems, transmission failures, even at low mileage, electrical systems failing randomly, turbocharger issues, oil leaks, infotainment glitches every few weeks. The Evoque is the definition of, I bought it for the looks, and now I regret everything. Owners report repair bills of $2,000 for transmission modules, $1,500 for turbo repairs, $1,200 for electrical diagnostics. Almost every Evoque owner eventually realizes the car is more committed to the mechanic than to them. If you're set on an Evoque, check the service history carefully and budget at least $3,000 annually for repairs. Trust me, it's worth it. Or you'll be crying over that badge. Number 7. BMW 7 Series, 2010-2015. The BMW 7 Series is luxury perfection on the outside. Clean lines, huge road presence, timeless executive styling. But these years, a nightmare disguised as a limousine. Why it looks luxury, massive body, high-end leather, executive-level comfort smooth ride. Why it's a nightmare BMW, packed this generation with too much experimental tech. Active suspension that fails electronic steering modules, complex iDrive issues, turbo V8 engine carbon buildup, coolant system leaks. When the air suspension fails, that's a $3,000, $5,000 repair. When the V8 twin turbo goes wrong, just buy another car. This is one of those vehicles where you look rich buying it and feel poor maintaining it. Many 7 Series owners report spending more time at the dealership than on the road during their first 3 years. It's a real heartbreak if you're a daily driver. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. The CLA is one of the most popular, affordable luxury cars ever made. It looks like a mini S-Class, sporty, classy, great badge. But the reality, it was built to hit a price point, not a quality point. The problems: transmission jerking, dual clutch failures, engine timing issues, cheap interior, components, electrical system gremlins. The CLA is famous for this cycle. Looks expensive, breaks, you fix, it breaks again, you cry. Many mechanics call the CLA a luxury badge on top of economy car parts. If you love the CLA styling, stick to newer models post-2018. They are far more reliable and benefit from updated engineering fixes. Number 5. Maserati Ghibli, exotic looks, Toyota Corolla. Quality? Nope. When you see a Maserati Ghibli on the road, you instantly think, this person is ballin'. But the truth? They're probably also calling the mechanic every 3 months. Why? It's a nightmare: turbo V6 engine issues, weak ZF transmission tuning, extremely expensive brake replacements, suspension component failures, electronics that seem to hate their job. Even routine maintenance is shocking. Oil change, $350, brake job, $2,500, basic service, $1,000. The Ghibli is the definition of rich look, poor engineering, great badge, great styling, terrible ownership experience. Maserati is a car for enthusiasts who love the drama, not for those who want daily reliability. If you're a casual driver, this one is a nightmare waiting to happen. Number 4. Audi A8, 2011-2017. Audi makes beautiful cars, and the A8 is a rolling luxury hotel. But this generation, it's like Audi said, let's put every complicated part known to mankind and hope nothing fails. Spoiler, everything fails. Nightmare points, overloaded electronic systems, air suspension failure, MMI infotainment breakdowns, cooling system leaks, oil consumption issues. These repairs aren't cheap. Air suspension strut, $2,000 MMI repair, a $1,400 cooling system service, and $200. The A8 gives you the confidence of a billionaire. Until something breaks and you suddenly feel middle class again. If you're set on an A8, prioritize models with full service records and lower mileage. Avoid the top trims with extreme tech packages. They're the ones that fail first. Number 3. Jaguar XF, the luxury sedan. With an attitude problem. Jaguar makes some of the most beautiful sedans in the world. The XF looks sleek, powerful, and refined. But the problems? Not refined at all. Common issues: electrical system chaos, faulty sensors, timing chain failures, infotainment freezing, gearbox malfunctions. And when something goes wrong, prepare to wait. Jaguar parts take time. Jaguar mechanics take time. And Jaguar bills, they hurt every time. Many owners say, "I loved driving it," when it actually worked. If you're buying used, ask for a pre-purchase inspection and budget for unexpected repairs. Jaguars may look beautiful, but they are a test of patience. Number 2. Cadillac ATS. Luxury looks, constant issues. The Cadillac ATS had everything going for it. Sharp design, beautiful interior, sporty performance, premium badge, but reliability? One of the worst in its class. Nightmare problems, engine stalling, cooling system failures, turbo issues, on the 2.0 well, rear differential, whining, transmission, slipping. Because it's a Cadillac, repairs cost a lot. Parts availability is slow. This is a car that will impress your neighbors and frustrate your bank account. Stick to newer ATS models with warranty coverage. Older ones are ticking time bombs with high repair costs. Number 1. The king of false luxury, the Range Rover Sport 2014-2018. The Range Rover Sport looks like royalty on wheels. It's powerful, bold, muscular, stylish. It screams success. But behind the badge, one of the most unreliable luxury SUVs in modern history. What makes it a nightmare? Air suspension failures, engine coolant leaks, timing chain problems, electrical system overload, drivetrain issues, infotainment failures, turbo problems. A single repair can hit $4,000, $6,000, even $9,000, depending on the issue. Range Rovers are amazing to drive, perfect interiors, but if a car can't stay on the road, if it keeps breaking, if the repair bills destroy your savings, then what's the point of looking luxury? Smart buyers know it's better to own a reliable car that works than a luxury disaster that just looks good. If you want more car breakdowns, buying guides, and real-world reviews, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive smart, spend smarter. If you want to avoid luxury car nightmares, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest car reviews.